All right, hydrate everyone. We've got 3 more hours until we stop. Okay, I know most of you haven't seen this because Ellen is all the way in the back.
Who?
Me.
There's a blue man.
Hey! Greetings! She has stepped on 2 logs that lay across our path. Why don't we do that?
Because it could be rotten.
That's right.
I was going to say that.